Hey guys, if you're preparing for job interview and want an AI tool that can actually help you practice, improve and land the role, then Final Round AI might be exactly what you need. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Final Round AI step by step from setting up your account to running mock interviews. I will share some tips to get the best result. So what is Final Round AI? This is the website right now you can see here. Just go to Google, search for Final Round, and here you will get this option of Final Round AI. I'm in the link. It's a AI powered interview simulator that help you get ready for technical, behavioral, or case interviews instead of just reading questions of a list. Act like a real interviewer, asking follow-up questions, analyzing your answer, and giving feedback instantly. Now think of it as your personal interview coach, available anytime. That is really interesting. You can make an account, you can start your setup by using normal Google account, right? And this is how it looks. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Now here it will ask you how can we help you to crush your next interview. If you want, you can choose. So for example, I just want to explore, or I need to prepare for an interview and have an interview now. So you can just start now if you want to, but that's a premium. You have to purchase a subscription. Right now this is the dashboard which you will find it here. And let's go one by one, then I will explain you. Here you can pick the type of interviews you want to practice. So here on the left side, you will find interviews, interview copilot, mock interview, preparation hub, and AI resume builder. So let's go to the interview copilot. Now here you will find this option of general interview, a reliable choice that work well in nearly all scenarios. So here you can just go and click on start interview, right? And here first of all you have to select your resume. So right now I don't have a resume, so I can import it a resume. So let's go and I'll just import it through LinkedIn. Once you have selected, maybe you can just upload your own resume from here, or you can just give an option from LinkedIn. Now what's your role? So select your role from here. Right now select knowledge domain, what kind of information do you have, interview type and everything. And you can also select what kind of AI models you want to use, because obviously the latest AI model is going to be more smarter, and you can make you more much ready for your interview. Now if you want to do it immediately, you can just go and click on test in playground, or let's go and click on launch. Here you have to give access of your microphones. Let's just go and click on allow. And here you have to wait. So we are connecting to Copilot server. So let's just wait here and connect to your interview meeting room. So you can just go and select. That's a paid feature, so we have to pay for it. But if you want, you can pay for it, right? Now here, once you have selected the interview meeting room, the transcription will be displayed here, and in this way you can have it, but without paying money you won't be able to use it. So let's go and click on test in playground. Now here it will ask you some questions here, and then you can upload more information about you. So here let's say tell me about yourself. So let's go and click on tell me about yourself and click on send. Now AI is thinking and it will teach me how I need to reply this. So as you can see here, there's a different kind of AI model. So this is Gemini 2.0 Flash, this is a Azure, that is a GPT 4.0, right? You can use it. So certainly here's a natural conversation response. Sure, I am my name and with XYZ experience, focused on core expertise area. So in this way you have to introduce and just go and you can keep chatting it. Now this is an interview coder, so you can just paste a screenshot of a problem and you can get a solution. So that is really interesting. But one thing I really wanted, okay, at least I want to test it. Now here my role is interview. Here you can change your role. Let's say I'm a graphic designer, and here click on start interview. And let's say if I launch it, then here you will find for example, we are connecting Copilot to the server. Here again we will come back to this main dashboard, and then you can have a complete interview experience. And once you're done with it, once you're pretty much okay and you have learned something, then you can simply just go and click on leave. Now let's run our mock interview. So after selecting this type, let's go and click on mock interview. Now here it will ask your job description. So let's you can fill up this information here, and let me just quickly fill up this information. Or you can simply you can start your mock interview. Let's say I want to do a mock interview with Elon Musk. Now select your role here, and let's go and select the role. So I have added my resume, the position, and once I've added this information, then it's done. Now let's go to the mock interview here. Now select your information, and you can just create a new goal if you want. And this is pretty much here. And let's go and click on next and click on launch. Now here it will ask my video request, but it's fine. I don't want to show here. Now it's again connecting to the Copilot server, so you have to just wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see welcome to this mock interview. Let's get started. And here you can see Mark Zuckerberg is here, and let's see how it goes. Hey, how are you? Can you hear me? Okay, so I'm just testing this final round AI that it is working perfectly or not. Well, I have no experience, and I think I'm completely noob at just launching product and building it. Yes. Is it important to have the key components to build a successful product? Okay, let's keep these questions aside, and I want to know: are you an alien? Okay, we should focus, but I want to ask you some different questions. And here, why your llama, AI model is not working properly? And unfortunately, I really wanted to test it out, but actually, it's not working good. So I shifted to GPTs models or cloud models. So, do you have any say? Okay, guys, so let's come back to the video and I will just end this call, right? So let's go and click on end right now and let's end it. So as you can see here, this entire thing is just only focused at interviews and nothing else. And that is pretty nice here. And I can just have a mock interview with anyone, any popular faces. I can even do a standard interview, right? So that is interesting. Now let's move to the preparation hub. Now here you can see this is preparation hub. Share your career goal and upcoming interview details, and the AI will craft and have a targeted questions regarding whatever specific goal I have and what specific I'm good at it, right? So you can just prepare it. I've already made it, but it's much pretty simple. So to prepare it, click on this plus icon, select your resume, add the job description, and click on next, right? Now here then you have to fill up all this information. Make sure your job description and company details are in detail, especially the job description, because on based of that AI is going to ask you some questions. Now this is a fourth one, that is a AI resume builder. I can create my own resume. I can upload. I can even add my LinkedIn profile as well as create it. So this is how I can create, and this is a good resume builder. I can use it. I can fill up all this information, and I can download the entire resume. So here in the final round, I really like this interview copilot mock interview, and the preparation and AI help. This is really good. But you have more options. For example, AI material builder. Now, based on your current resume and target role, we will craft a highly customized and new resume and cover letter. That is really interesting. Now, I want to generate a cover letter, so I'll just go and click on generate. I'll select my resume, click on generate. It is in the progress. There are more such options, for example, AI Job Hunter. This is still in the beta phase, but yeah, you can find job here, but actually this entire application is focused on interviews. So I think that is what his main feature is. But there's a AI career coach, and I can ask some questions if I'm facing some kind of issue, right? And here I can speak with recruiters. Basically everything is AI. So there are no real recruiters, they're AI. But as we know, AI is upgrading at really fast, fast speed. So it's a really good thing. So I can just go and have a conversation with a Apple recruiter, Nvidia recruiter, and I can even calculate my salary. And there's an interview question bank. So here you can see there's a lot of questions, right? I can just go and play with around. I can just learn it, and there's a playground, and that's really interesting. So this was the entire information which I wanted to give you. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more career tool and tips, and check out the next video on screen where I cover proven interview strategies. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.